Boo boo kids.
Let's learn vegetables name A to Z. A. A is for asparagus. B. B is for broccoli. C. C is for carrot. D. D is for drumstick. E. E is for eggplant. F. F is for French beans. G. G is for garlic. H. H is for horseradish. I. I is for iceberg lettuce. J. J is for Jessima. K. K is for Kale. L. L is for lettuce. M. M is for mushroom. N. N is for Napa cabbage. O. O is for okra. P. P is for potato. Q. Q is for quinoa. R. R is for radish. S. S is for spinach. T. T is for tomato. U. U is for upland crease. V. V is for vegetable marrow. W. W is for watercress. X. X is for surplus sweet pepper. Y. Y is for yam root. Z. Z is for zucchini.